This video is to show you how to rotate using GeoGebra. So to rotate, we want to rotate this square. I need a point to rotate it around. So I go up to this menu here, and by default it's always on new point. And I've already plotted a point there. Now you can't see that point very well, so if I go to the arrow, whenever I want to select a new object I have to be on the arrow tool, right click over the point, and object properties. I can change the color to white because there's a dark background. And I can make the point size much bigger. I'm going to make it 6. You could also change the style of the point if you wish to. Now I can see my center much clearer. I'm then going to go to the transformations menu, and I want to rotate the square about the point by an angle. So be careful to click on the center of the shape you want to rotate. If you go to the points, you'll only rotate that point. So I'm right in the center of the object I want to rotate. Then I click on the center I want to rotate it around, and I get the option to rotate by an angle. I want 90 degrees, so I'm just going to type in 90. And I can go anti-clockwise, which is against the clock on the old analog clocks, or clockwise, which is in the same direction of the clock face. In this case I'm going to go clockwise, and that appears on the red line, and that's exactly what I want. Okay, so the rules of this game: you've got to navigate your way all around the obstacles. You must always stay touching the red line, so your square must always touch the red line, and it can never touch the obstacle, so it can't touch the volcano, the tree house, etc. Okay, I'm going to do Control Z to undo that rotation. Now imagine instead of 90, I selected my object, being careful not to be on a point, center. Okay, this happens sometimes, so it's good that you see it. When it does, I go to the arrow and then reselect rotate. Okay, so I go object, center, and then 120 degrees, so let's say 140, and clockwise again. This time I land on the volcano. That's not allowed because I'm touching the image, I'm touching one of the obstacles. Okay, there's the rules of the games, and that's how to rotate. Let's see what it's like in Autograph. So in Autograph, same thing. I recommend you go to View, Toolbars and Modes when you're in Autograph, because then you get this nice side menu here. Okay, and again we need a point, so I'm going to rotate that square about a point, so I need to put on a point. Okay, you can see that there's a square round that point. Look, when I go to the arrow key and click off, now there's no square. There needs to be a square around that, then I know it's selected. Hold down the Shift key and click on the object you want to rotate. Now you can see they've both got around their points those squares to show you've selected them. Right click, rotate, and again you choose your angle. Autograph always rotates anti-clockwise, so against the direction of the clock, opposite direction. You can show the construction lines, which shows you that rotation is all about circles, maybe, for you to investigate. So I'm going to leave them on for now, or you can uncheck them to hide them. And you can see I've rotated anti-clockwise 90 degrees. Good luck.